sir. What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having an amazing day today. Welcome back to the vlog. Here we are. Got my intercooler. It's all my stencils back there. We're gonna spray paint the stencil on there and install the intercooler. Well, not today, but tomorrow, because today I gotta go to work later, so I only have time to stencil it. But I'm gonna probably put it on tomorrow morning, which for you guys is only gonna be in like 3 minutes. So, yep. But first, we're gonna go to AutoZone. We gotta buy some spray paint, the black one, you know, the high temp black spray paint, so everything goes according to plan. It doesn't peel off, it doesn't mess up anything. So yeah, take you guys over there right now. Just left AutoZone, picked up our paint. Sir, you guys, this virus has people going crazy, wearing full-on suits, gloves, masks, glasses even. Like, they put on like goggles. I'm just like, god damn, people are going crazy over this thing. And every business too has like that 6 feet away social distancing. It's crazy. Feels like we're living in a movie, if I'm being honest, but it is what it is. Just happy we're alive and blessed and living our best life. Alright guys, we just did the second pass. Second coat right there, all masked out. It should be good. Hopefully. It is lined up. It's just popped out a little bit right there, but I don't know. To be honest, we'll see how it looks. But oh well. Should be fine. This car is loud. But yes sir, we should be good to go. We got a bunch of homies here. Jill's fixing his car, they're doing the Miata. We got hella stuff going on over there. But yep. Final product. And it comes out pretty good. Should be dry by now, but it looks clean. Just a clean car. Got all the boys here. Oh, this thing is sick, bag. I'm about to read the codes, figure out what's wrong with it. I know for sure it has a fat leak. Look at this rip in the coupler. Yeah. That's messed up right there.
Oh, hey, I didn't ask what you want. What are you gonna get from McDonald's?
And then the turbo Miata.
They're right there.
Garrett. Damn. Bro, Ant's living in GTA.
It's the same. Nah, there's more room.
What do we have going on over here? Yes, sir. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to day 2 of the vlog. I'm doing my intercooler right now. I got the fan loose, as you can see. But for some reason, it's not coming out. I'm thinking it's that little clamp, so I'm gonna try to push it up from the bottom up. Because either way, I gotta be on the bottom anyway to take out the intercooler and take out all that nasty crap. So we're gonna get to that right now. I already did a couple things in advance. And damn, she looking mighty thick. She looking really thick. We're gonna get that on right now. I'm gonna pass you guys over to the next clip. Alright, as you guys know, this belly pan has like a gazillion bolts. This thing is terrible to take off, and I'm just trying to get it fast as done as I'm trying to get it done as fast as I can. And guess who lost their adapter to get all the bolts out with the electric ratchet? This guy. I lost them all. So guess what? We're doing everything by hand. This video's gonna be a while. So get ready for the time lapse in 3, 2, 1, time lapse.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon.
Okay, so the 2 clips that were under that damn car were already off, so I don't know, whatever, screw it. Next thing that we're gonna do is right now, we have to get this thing addressed. This thing does not want to come out. And I've literally been fighting it for like an hour. It does not want to come out. Hopefully I get it off. I'm gonna pass you guys over when I get this crap off. Finally got it, you guys. Success. As you can see, it's a straight through shot. That was a pain, just because you don't have any space to do anything in. And the radiator fan is right there. You have no space. Like I had this is all the space you have to have the radiator fan, and it's a direct fit. You have no space to do absolutely anything in there. But it's all good. We got it out. I'm about to pull out the intercooler right now. All right, you guys. I'm getting it out right now. So much. Oh, it went in my sleeve. All looking nasty. Ah! I'm getting showered. Oh, that's disgusting. You hear that? Damn. Just in case you all want to see this. Oh, right there. Just look at that. Oh, all that dirt. I'm about to clean all that up. That's nasty. All right, guys. So I'm trying to get better at vlogging and installing parts. Trying to do all that better. So I'm gonna take off my front bumper right now. Literally, I took off every screw. This is the last one. As you can see, it's barely held on there. So we're gonna put it on. We're gonna take it off right now. There we go. Last screw. Took off the whole bumper. Got this whole front mount exposed. So with this, what we're gonna do, since the big front mount intercooler won't fit, as you can see, it's freaking huge compared to the stock one. Look, like this is the aftermarket one, and this is the stock one. Literally, look, side by side. It don't compare at all. So I need to trim a lot of that. I need to trim a lot of this, majority of that, and yep, let's get right to it. All right, quick little status update. I got dirt all over my damn face, but we took off the old couplers. We took off the old little silicone pipes, couplers, whatever. I don't know what it is, whatever. Took off that one and that one. We need to replace it. I couldn't take it off under, so I took off the entire pipe. As you can see, hold on. All right, so what I did was take off this pipe off the charge pipe that connects to the intercooler, because it didn't let me cut it off. Took it off, cut it straight through, as you can see right there. I overdid it because I was so mad that I just cut the actual coupler. But it doesn't matter. We'll never be using that again. I gotta clean all this crap up. That's the little bracket that we cut off. We're gonna be replacing it with these type of bands right here. Makes it really easy and a lot more conventional to use. And that's the other one. This one I got off under the car. This one let me, but the other one was a pain. So now that's that. And the next thing, so I did all of that right now. What I'm gonna do next is put on the piping up to the thing, mock everything up, and then kind of put on the intercooler, and then we're gonna call that a day. So I'm gonna pass you when the intercooler's on right now. Woo.
And I know love is like the phases of the moon.
All right, guys, everything is done, cleaned up. Well, want to see the final product? I'll show you guys right now. Ooh. Yes, that aggressiveness. Damn. It looks good. I'm about to go shower, change, wash up, because my hands are filthy. Even if I wore gloves, it was still gonna get filthy due to the fact that I literally I got covered in dirt. Gloves were ripping. Felt like 5 pairs of gloves, but yeah. Whew. Yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys over when I end the video.